Here we have a set of ordered pairs. Ordered pairs meaning two values, right? A pair of numbers within a set of parentheses. And as a little side note, this would be my x and y values for each ordered pair. And this is what we call a relation. So we're relating two different things. And there's no context in this situation, but we're just going to look at pretty much the different representations of a relation, such as what we have here. So as I mentioned earlier, this is a set of ordered pairs. You can see from these brackets on the ends that we have a set of ordered pairs. Ordered pairs meaning the x and y values. This is one pair, 2, 3 ordered pairs. And now there's three other ways we could show this relation. So the next way I can show you is a table. So let's show this as a table. In table format, I will do an XY table. The X values, as I mentioned up here, are 0, 1, and 2. So I'll put that 0, 1, and 2 here. And then the corresponding Y value. So when X was 0 for that order pair, the Y value was 2. So that one matches up with that. So they have to go with each other. When X is 1, the Y value is 3. And then when X is 2, the Y value is 4. So you can see pretty much the same idea. So like something people do is you can do this to show that these are the ordered pairs. It's just organized in a table format. The next way we can show these ordered pairs or this relation is using an XY axis or the coordinate plane. So I'm just going to put some numbers so I can see my X values goes up to 2. And then my Y values go up to 4. So I'm just going to make sure I have enough spacing here. So now I'm just going to put these points. So I'm going to plot the points. So I have here 0. So when X is 0 would be at this location here. When X is 0, the Y is 2. So I go to that 0, 2, which will be right here. And let me just put these numbers so you can see. And this point right here, where the X and the Y axis intersect, is called the origin. And you'll sometimes see like a O, italicized O next to that in some graphs. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see here at this location, it's X has a value of 0 and Y is 2 there. The next one, when X is 1, so I go to the X value 1 here. And from here, the Y value is 3. So from here, I'm going to go to 3 and put a point there. The next one is 2, 4. So when X is 2, so I go to here, the Y value is 4. So when X is 2, my Y value is 4. So I go up to 4, then I'll put my point here. So here we have a set of ordered pairs, and now I set it up here in the coordinate plane. So this is what we call a graph of the relation. And then the last way I can represent this relation is using a mapping diagram. So a mapping diagram would be something like this, where I can draw a rectangle here and here. I'll put the X values inside here, 0, 1, and 2. And my Y values, 2, 3, and 4 would go in here. And the mapping diagram means that you're just going to draw an arrow to show which X value pairs up with which Y value. So in this case, when X is 0, it goes to 2. So 0 goes to 2, so I'll draw an arrow connecting those. In this case, when X is 1, it goes to 3, so 1 goes to 3. And then the last one, when X is 2, it goes to 4, so it goes to 4. And that would be my mapping diagram for this set of ordered pairs, or for this relation.